Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to send messages on WhatsApp without the need to save someone's number in your contacts. Sometimes, you just want to send a quick message or share an address without the hassle of saving the contact permanently. Well, let's get started. The first step is to copy the phone number of the person you want to send a message to. You can find their number from any source, like a website or a text message. Just highlight and copy it. Now, open your WhatsApp application on your device. WhatsApp has recently introduced a convenient feature that allows you to message yourself. I've explained this feature in detail in one of my previous videos. If you want to learn more about it, click on the I button above and watch that video. In your WhatsApp chat box, simply paste the copied number. Once you've pasted the number, click on it. A pop-up will appear with different options. Select Chat with followed by the number you pasted. This will open a chat window with that number. Now, you can type the message you want to send in the chat window. Once you're done, hit send, and the message will be delivered to that number. Additionally, you can even make a WhatsApp call to that number by following the same steps we discussed earlier. That's it for this tutorial. Sending WhatsApp messages without saving numbers is now quick and easy. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. See you in the next video.